You gotta. Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have a blurred background on your videos using CapCut. So if you want to add a blurred background, there are ways that I usually use, which I need to remove the background and then export a project first and then add the video that I added, and I can just add the blur effect, but it takes too long. And here I'm going to use the easiest way. I'm going to show you. So you can just add your video and go to effects. Now go to the body effects, and in here you can just find the background streak effect, or you can find it under the superpowers category. Here, background streak, and you can see the background is blurred. Here you can adjust the intensity of the blur or intensity of the horizontal. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use a 53, and click on the check icon, and don't forget to adjust the length of the effect to match with the video. So here is the final result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.